Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add video background banner to Shopify homepage. There are two ways to add video to Shopify, including directly uploading to Shopify and using a third-party platform to store your video before uploading to Shopify. While you can upload your own MP4 files to Shopify, you should store your video on a third-party hosting services like YouTube or Vimeo or Screen Recording Mac. By leveraging such platforms, you can ensure that your videos are optimized for responsiveness, reduce the data stored in your Shopify site, enhance the user experience on different devices. Additionally, you can also take advantage of the marketing potential offered by these platforms. As you may know, YouTube is the most common video platform, so in this tutorial, I will use it as an example. First, you need to copy the video URL. To have your video live on YouTube, you first need to upload it to YouTube and set your video public. For detailed steps, you can follow this guide. When your video is live on YouTube, copy its URL. Then, make your video responsive. While YouTube has an embed option under its sharing options, you should take it elsewhere to ensure the embed is mobile responsive. Visit Embed responsibly to create a fully responsive embed snippet code. Then, paste the video URL into the YouTube page URL field on the website. Then, hit the embed button. The responsive embed code snippet will be generated and displayed at the bottom page. Now, copy the responsive embed code snippet. Once the embed code is generated, a video thumbnail will appear with the embed snippet below. Copy the embed code, then you can start adding Shopify video section to your store. Beside homepage, there are many places where you can add video to Shopify to grab customers' attention, such as product pages, collection pages, landing pages, etc. To add video section to these pages, you should follow the step-by-step process below. Choose the place to add video. From your Shopify dashboard, go to Online Store and then Pages. Select the page where you want to add video. On the page you have chosen, you will see a lot of formatting icons. Just find the video camera icon and click on it. Then a new pop-up window appears. All you need to do now is paste the video embed code in the Insert Video section. After that, hit the Insert Video button. And finally, click Save to make your video live on your Shopify store pages. The second option, since Shopify homepage is a singular page, you can edit it using Theme Editor. From your Shopify admin, navigate to Online Store, then Themes. Now, click Customize button on Down Theme or your current theme. From the left side menu of the Theme Editor, scroll down and click Add Section. Then, you will see a list of elements to add to your home page. Select Video. The Shopify video banner section will be automatically added to the bottom of the page. You can change its position by dragging and dropping it to your desired place. Now you need to add and edit the input of your Shopify video banner section, such as heading, cover image, URL, video alt text, full width, and customize CSS. Such information is located on the right side of the editing page. Finally, click Save button to update your down theme video on the homepage of your Shopify site. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.